Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to unpublish your website on GoDaddy.com. So first of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to hover over your name on the top right and scroll this menu down. Right here, you need to go to My Products. Scroll down until you will see Websites and Marketing. You need to click it and click Manage. As you can see, guys, at the moment my website is published and I need to unpublish this website. So I need to go to Edit Website right here and then go to Settings on the top right and then click Unpublish. You need to verify it. Yes, Unpublish, and click OK. Now let's go back. And refresh this page. As you can see, our website is draft. It's not published anymore. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.